Welcome to Rajesh Lekalu. Today our topic is the limits. This type of problem will ask in JW main exam. Okay. And MCET exam also. Right. Limit extends to pi by 4 cot cube x minus tan x by cos x plus pi by 4 is. Okay. Right. See here. First you know the formulas here. 1 by cot theta equal tan theta. 1 by tan theta equal cot theta. And cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay. See here, this is cos A plus B. Okay. Using that this formula, remember that, right? Solution. Limit extends to pi by 4 cot cube x minus tan x by cos x plus pi by 4. Okay. Right. Limit extends to pi by 4. Right. See, numerator cot cube x common 1 minus tan x by, see here, cot cube x common, cot cube x 1 minus tan x by cot cube x cos x plus pi by 4, right? That equal to limit extends to pi by 4 cot cube x, see here, cot theta 1 by tan theta, cot cube x, what we write here, tan cube x. Okay, see here, this is into 1 minus tan theta, tan x into 1 by cot cube x. Okay, by cos x plus pi by 4. See here, 1 by cot theta, tan theta. Now tan cube x into tan x, base is same, power should be at tan power 4x, it will come. Okay, right? Limit extends to pi by 4 1 minus tan power 4x by tan cube x cos x plus pi by 4. See here, this is 1 minus tan power 4x, write it numerator, tan cube x into cos x plus pi by 4. Okay, right? See here, a square minus b square whole square equal to a square whole square minus b square whole square, a square minus b square into a square plus b square. Now here a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b into a square plus b square, right? Using this formula here, the numerator that equal to limit extends to pi by 4 1 plus tan square x into 1 minus tan square x by tan x formula, what is that? Sin x by cos x, cos cube x. Okay, see here this one, cos a plus b formula, see here, cos a plus b, cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Using this formula, cos x replaced here, a replaced here, x, b replaced here, pi by 4. Do you know cos pi by 4 value? What is that? 1 by root 2. Okay. Sin pi by 4 value equal 1 by root 2. Right? Cos x, cos pi by 4 minus sin x, sin pi by 4. Okay. That equal to limit extends to pi by 4 1 plus tan square x. To see here, this is 1 plus tan x a plus b into a minus b by sin cube x by cos cube x. This is cos x 1 by root 2 minus sin x 1 by root 2. Okay, right? That equal to limit extends to pi by 4 1 plus tan square x 1 plus tan x. See here, this is 1 minus sin x by cos x by sin cube x by cos cube x. This is cos x minus sin x by root 2. See here LCM, cos x by root 2 minus sin x by root 2. What is that? Cos x minus sin x by root 2. Okay, clearly? Right, see here, this is LCM here. That equal to limit x tends to pi by 4, 1 plus tan square x into 1 plus tan x by cos x minus sin x by root 2 into, see here this LCM, cos x minus sin x by cos x by this right here, sin cube x by cos cube x. See, cos x get cancelled. Okay, right? See here, right, cos get cancelled. Here 1, here cos square x. Okay, that equals limit x tends to pi by 4, 1 plus tan square x into 1 plus tan x by cos x minus sin x by root 2 into cos x minus sin x by 1 into cos square x by sin cube x. Cos square x by sin cube x. Cos x minus sin x get cancelled here. Okay, right? That equal to limit x tends to pi by 4, 1 plus tan square x into 1 plus tan x by 1 by root 2 into cos square x by sin cube x. Okay, right, that equal to limit x tends to pi by 4, 1 plus tan square x into 1 plus tan x root 2 into cos square x by sin cube x. Right, x tends to substituting here pi by 4. Do you know tan pi by 4 equal 1. Okay, tan pi by 4 1, cos pi by 4 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4 1 by root 2. Right, substituting here, that equal 1 plus tan square pi by 4, 1 plus tan pi by 4 into root 2 cos square pi by 4 by sin cube pi by 4. Right, that equal what is that? 1 plus 1 root 2 by 1 by root 2 whole square by 1 by root 2 whole cube. That equal to 2 into root 2. See here, 1 by root 2 whole square into root 2 whole cube. It cancels. That equal to 2 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 2 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8. Okay, this is 8 and do you have any doubt? Please comment, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.